Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Been on the phone this morning trying to get some trucks lined up for today. I'm fixing to haul another load to town, and we'll talk to y'all later. This is how the probe works I was telling you about on the last video. It probes down in there, takes a sample, and I guess they have an underground duct that sends it to the scale house. They seem a little busier this morning than they did yesterday. But time for me to pull on. That is the big corn pit there. So I cover it over with a tarp. I got an air system flowing through it. I guess it's a cheap way to hold corn. Well, we loaded out and headed back to the field. Gonna do a little grain carting today. Cousin Bailey's helping us out for a few days. Let the young man do the climbing. So let me catch you up to speed what's been going on. I'm starting to run out of bin space. I still got a few bins, but we still got a lot of corn to go. And I'm trying to get another driver in here, and he said yesterday that he'd ripped his tarp and he'd get one this morning. Well, I just caught off the phone with him, and it's going to be next Wednesday before he can get a tarp. We're also expecting about 5 inches of rain coming out of this hurricane, and I don't know about the wind we're going to get off of it, but we're going to try to get this field done tonight. May have to swap bins, but that's what's going on. That is a big wet spot. I wasn't able to plant it. There's a big hole. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm hoping I can rip it or disc it real deep. I don't have a ripper. I'm wanting to buy one. But if I can catch it dry enough, which it don't sound like I'm going to be able to because of this rain, cut it real deep and break the hard pan and maybe not have so much of a wet spot. Well, it's still sitting there. Wonder how long it's going to sit there. Insurance has totaled it out. I think we ain't got settled up on what they're going to give us for it. But it's for sale by the insurance. And I've been getting quite a few looky-loos coming by looking at it. But oh well. still running, but it's probably the last truck unload. Probably fill it, the tandem, and think about filling the grain cart tonight before the storm hits. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. If you made this far, thank you for watching. God bless you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But I doubt you've watched it this far without not liking it. I haven't shut the tractor down. But comment. I like the comments. I always try to answer you back. Got one side ain't running out. A Big K, I got your comment notification, but I didn't get your comment. But well, that's it. Until next time.